Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. My name is Slavo. I am QObelisk student, and today I want to share with you one lesson that I learned while I was trading. Before I trade, I already made my plan. I know my stop loss, my entry, and my profit target. But when I was in a trade, my fear, control my emotion, and I took my trade early. I would make more profit if I follow my plan, but I did not. So when I calm down and I think about it, it already happened to me in the past, and I did the same thing with my goals and my plans. I set up my goals, I made the plans, but I did differently. So and sometimes I really got mad at myself and feel uncomfortable, about it. And as the people say, I say what I do what I say. And the lesson I want to tell you is that if I can put my thoughts and my action up together, and I do exactly what I think, I will achieve more things than I usually do. So I hope this vlog is helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching my vlog. I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.